here we have our Centor E2 bifold. Bifolds can be done in many different combinations, opening from the middle, opening all one way, both ways. They can open out and they can also open to the inside if you have obstructions on the outside. Whether you have even numbers of doors or odd numbers of doors, we can make it so you can still have a service leaf like we've done here. You still get the service leaf. All good quality Centor hardware, including the drop bolts. All Centor hardware comes in a few different colours, brushed stainless, brass, and an array of powder coat colours. Centor bifolds, they run very smoothly. Anyone can do it. Drop bolts top and bottom. The good thing about Centor bifolds is that we've had them tested up to a C3 rating, so they're very good for weather sealing. With the Centor bifolds, you can also have an integrated screen. So this section here is an integrated screen. Comes out, comes from both ways, so you've still got your service leaf. The screen is an added extra option. You can have the bifolds without a screen.